everyone. It's really welcome. Tzvi, Botzer. We're looking to start the laws of the blessing. We talk about the blessings in the morning. So the first is a halacha. They have to say 100 brachas a day. It's a chiyuv. And where we actually, most of them we say in the synagogue, the Knesset. Why we actually sing 100 brachas? So the two says in the name of Rav Natrani Gaon, was one of the Goinim, and he says because every day 100 people used to die, and in order to from the Jewish people, in order to prevent that, it's called Midah Keneged Midah. Whatever 100 people died, means every Jewish neshama is a bracha. So against that, the Chazal are creating exactly 100 blessings. And as you count the brachas, you can see, first when you get up, you say Tilas Yadayim, it's one bracha. It's another bracha. The blessing of Birkas HaTorah, it's another blessing. And as you go, HaShem Natan Las Chvi, that's like the chicken, lehavchim, to understand the difference between Ben Yom and Ben Ayadin, between day and night. To imagine a person is in jail. Doesn't know when is a day, doesn't know when is a night. Baruch Hashem, we have that opportunity to bless and say it's honoring on something like that. Shelo Sani Goy, that God didn't be a Gentile. What's wrong with the Gentile? Some of them are very nice. But the answer is that the person is more than that. A Jew is called Nishmas Yisrael. It's what? It's the mitzvahs. A Jew has more commandment to do. A Gentile has only 7 commandments. We have 613. It's high dimension. So it's a question why he says Shelo Yasan. Say Shasan Yisrael. Make me a Jew. You made me a Jew. Why Shelo? We can talk about it, but this is not the time. Just something to think about when you're actually making the blessings in the morning. Something to think about. What is this type of blessing that we're actually saying? Shelo Yasan Yovel. Did they be a slave? So that. But again, Shelo Yasan Isha also, that's another problem. A woman also has mitzvahs. It's not exactly the same as a man. In a certain obligation, she has more. Let's say she has a husband, so she actually has to do what she has to do for her husband. Because I'm sure everybody will be chatan, will get married. So they will know that. A woman, she's obligated to her husband. So the mitzvahs, of course she has other mitzvahs, she has malgroma, certain mitzvahs that she's actually not obligated. But even the mitzvah she's obligated to davening, she could daven. But if her husband asks her to do breakfast, or she knows her husband is coming home, so she has to make sure the breakfast is there. Her husband is before anything. So a regular person, you have to get up out of your bed and start, get yourself together, come to davening, come to shul, come to yeshiva, you have whatever your obligation, go to work, whatever you have to do. But a woman, the first obligation she has, it's a husband, a bab. And then it goes right to Pekachim, your eyes, Malbishom, imagine wearing clothes, Adam, when the first was born, had the clothes. Till they realized that women, Matrasul, get out of jail, Zevir standing up, As we go, we have those blessings. I just want to mention the last part, this is what I'm really focusing. So a lot of people thought, as I said that, to right away, Virotzen, it's like this extra blessing, right away to answer Amen. Says the Mishnah Berurah, you shouldn't say Amen there. Only when Agomel Lechayavim Tovot Agomel Lechayavim Tovim L'Amo Yisrael. Only when he ended that blessing, then you make a bracha. And you don't do a bracha before they're in the middle. A lot of people say, oh, it's Yerotzen, it's like an extra daven, like you have the Korbanos, you have the Yerotzen, thanking HaShem for giving us opportunity. For that, the answer is no. This is continuing of the blessing, even though it's Baruch Atah Hashem, but it ends with Agomel L'Chayavim Israel, and then actually you answer Amen. Have a good day.
Amen.